If you hold or plan to buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin because you expect the stunning growth of this asset class, there are two significant, ever-present forces threatening your investment: death taxes and lawsuit creditors and predators. Without advanced tax planning, at your death, the then value of your cryptocurrency will be subject to an estate tax currently 40% of your stack. Recent tax proposals contemplate increasing these death taxes to help pay down the national debt and raise money to fund the government. So what can be done to plan ahead and mitigate future death taxes? As the saying goes, not your keys, not your coins. These strategies can be used while maintaining secure custody of your digital assets. You can use your current gift tax exemption to transfer up to $15 million to a Nevada irrevocable third-party trust, removing the future appreciation from your estate when you die. If you are an active trader, create an LLC to hold your crypto in which you are the manager. Then gift the LLC interest to the irrevocable trust to avoid the growth in value of the crypto from being taxed when you die. If your current crypto investment exceeds the gift tax exemption, consider funding the LLC with your crypto and selling the amount in excess of your gift exemption to the irrevocable trust for a long-term promissory note with interest-only payments, based on the current long-term applicable federal rate. The interest rate that the government requires be utilized for intra-family loans. The face value of the promissory note will be included in your gross estates at death, but all of the appreciation of the crypto will be removed from your estate and not subject to $1 of your death tax, saving your heirs potentially tens of millions of dollars. Using the irrevocable generation skipping trust, the taxman will not be entitled to a penny of death taxes on the then value for up to 365 years. A greater threat to your stack comes from financially ruinous lawsuits. Even if you are not concerned about saving estate taxes at death, the unforeseen black swan event of a lawsuit can wipe out your stack. The majority of Bitcoiners aren't aware that they can protect their crypto from lawsuit creditors and predators by titling their investment in an LLC and having their LLC interest held in an asset protection trust in one of 22 states or an overseas asset protection trust, depending on the strength of the protections they seek. If you're later involved in a lawsuit and lose, absent a fraud, your personal judgment creditors will not be able to lay claim to any of the cryptocurrencies in your structure, as the trust structure holding your LLC interest will no longer be an asset owned by you. Therefore, absent a fraudulent transfer, it simply will not be available to the creditors seeking to take your cryptocurrencies to satisfy the judgment. Of the 100 million or more lawsuits filed in the U.S. each year, over 95% settle for pennies on a dollar, either based on doubt as to liability or as to collectability. So, protect your hard-earned wealth from lawsuit creditors and predators by using these strategies to remove the financial incentives for being sued.